Hello, I'm Teddy Tedeschi, an IT educator in the DMV area, wishing you all a happy new year. In this video, we're going to explore the fascinating world of SQL Server queries, specifically targeting performance analysis. We'll be comparing two key queries, sys.dm exec query stats and sys.dm exec requests, and understand their role in identifying and troubleshooting slow-running queries. So, strap in and let's dive deep into the world of SQL Server queries. Let's start with the sys.dm exec query stats query, a dynamic management view, DMV, providing aggregate performance stats for cached query plans in SQL Server. The results, when ordered by either total_elapsed_time or max_elapsed_time columns, highlight queries that have historically taken the longest to execute. The total_elapsed_time column, showing cumulative time spent executing a particular query plan since it was compiled, will help you identify queries that are consistently slow or invoked frequently. This column accounts for all executions, giving you a broad picture of performance. Max_elapsed_time, on the other hand, reflects the highest time taken for a single execution of a query plan. This feature is useful when you're identifying queries with sporadic spikes in execution time, which could indicate occasional performance issues. When you run the following script, select asterisk from sys.dm exec query stats order by total_elapsed_time desk, it returns details of the most resource-consuming queries. Replace total_elapsed_time with max_elapsed_time based on your requirement. These queries can then be analyzed for optimization, paving the way for an optimized SQL Server operation. Moving on, let's examine the sys.dm exec requests DMV. It provides real-time data about each request currently executing within SQL Server. It's a powerful tool for catching slow-running queries as they occur. Running this script, select asterisk from sys.dm exec requests, where status =running provides details about currently executing requests. This includes the text being executed, the session ID, the current status of the request, and how long it has been running. This is particularly useful in scenarios where users are experiencing delays, as it allows you to catch problematic queries while they are still running. These DMVs together form the backbone of effective SQL Server performance analysis. They provide a dual lens, one for historical performance and one for real-time execution. We're just scratching the surface of SQL Server query performance analysis. In the next scene, we'll dive deeper, exploring how these tools can be used collaboratively for comprehensive performance optimization. Stay tuned. Now, let's see these queries in action. We will be demonstrating the use of SQL Server Management Studio. For those who are not familiar, SQL Server Management Studio is an integrated environment that provides a comprehensive platform to manage, administer, execute, and analyze SQL Server databases. In the realm of performance analysis, two queries play a pivotal role, namely sys.dm exec query stats and sys.dm exec requests. Once you've installed and opened SQL Server Management Studio, the first thing you'll notice is an open query window. This is the place where we will be running our two key queries. Let's start with the sys.dm exec query stats query. This is a dynamic management view that returns performance statistics for cached query plans. It helps you understand the efficiency and performance of executed queries, making it a crucial tool for SQL Server performance tuning. To run the sys.dm exec query stats query, navigate to the query window and type the following command. Select asterisk from sys.dm exec query stats order by total_elapsed_time DC. Here, total_elapsed_time and max_elapsed_time are two parameters based on which your query results will be sorted. You can replace one with another as per your requirements. Upon executing the query by hitting the execute button or pressing F5, you will be presented with a list of the most resource-consuming queries. These are queries that take up a lot of your server's resources and hence are sorted by total elapsed time or maximum elapsed time. Following that, we'll execute the next important query known as sys.dm exec requests. sys.dm_exec_requests is another dynamic management view that helps you monitor the health of your SQL server by providing a real-time snapshot of the currently executing requests. To run this query, type select asterisk from sys.dm exec requests where status =running in the query window and hit execute or press F5. When you see the results, you are essentially viewing a live feed of your server's activities, particularly those pertaining to requests that are currently executing. This feature provides you with a real-time tool to identify slow-running queries as they occur. However, it's essential to understand that the query results are more than just numbers and pieces of text. They provide a narrative, a story that paints a picture of your SQL Server's performance. Each row represents a different query, and each column contains crucial information about that query. The importance of these results cannot be overstated, as they allow you to identify potential performance issues and take appropriate measures to optimize your SQL Server. And that's how you can use these queries to analyze your SQL Server performance in real time. In the next scene, we'll delve deeper into the information these queries provide and how you can use it to optimize your server's performance. Stay tuned. Now, let's move to the sys.dm exec request query. This dynamic view is a real-time instrument providing a snapshot of current requests executing within SQL Server. It's akin to a live broadcast of your server's activities, helping you spot slow queries as they occur. Think of it as a surveillance camera, capturing server activities as they unfold. For example, you can monitor the SQL text being executed, the session ID, and the status of requests, among other things. Let's look at a scenario. If you're trying to detect long-running active queries, a query like select asterisk from sys.dm exec requests, where status =, running, could be used. This query serves as a net, capturing slow queries that may be resulting in user delays. It's especially useful in cases where users are experiencing slowdowns, enabling you to detect problematic queries in real time. In essence, if sys.dm exec query stats is your historical record, providing you with a log of past performance, sys.dm exec requests is your live news channel, keeping you abreast of current happenings. This query is a fantastic real-time tool for catching and diagnosing slow-running queries. Both of these queries are powerful tools for diagnosing performance issues in SQL Server. The dynamic management view, when ordered by or, pinpoints historically long-running. It allows us to identify consistent or intermittent performance issues, thereby giving us the opportunity to rectify them in due time. The other dynamic management view provides real-time data on currently executing requests. This ability is critical in catching problematic queries as they occur, and mitigating their potential negative impact on system performance promptly. The first query offers a historical perspective, unveiling patterns over time. The second query provides a snapshot of the now, facilitating immediate resolutions. Using these two queries together gives us a complete picture of query performance in our SQL Server environments. It helps in proactive problem solving and maintaining the health of our systems. By harnessing the power of these tools, we can ensure optimum performance and robustness of our SQL Server environments. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my content. Let's make a splash in the online world together.